Okay, so now I want to demonstrate the Cobra stretch. I apologize for the shirt being out of the pants, but it is necessary to properly demonstrate the stretch. So you're going to lay down on your belly, like this here. Okay, starting in this position, arms are at the ear level, and you're going to push with the arms. You're going to feel a bit of a stretch on the abdominal region. For those of you who are having abdominal muscle spasms, this may also be part of your back pain management regimen. Hold in this position for the required amount of time as directed by your therapist. And use the arms, gently lower yourself. To get a greater stretch, pull the arms back, push, and you will get a bit of a greater stretch in the abdominal muscles. Again, if you're getting any pains in the back or you have any questions, it's best to not do the stretch or get the advice of your therapist. And come back down.